Struggling with your hair extension tangling? Come close. First, you brush with a paddle brush or a white comb, starting from the tip up to the middle, like this. Then add a lightweight oil, like the one shown. Then move to the middle and comb this time all through the hair. Then the next process is to tie the middle. Tie this part very well, like this, the first time. Now we're going to tie the second time. The second time to keep the hair secure. Then we start twisting. This twisting is light twist, if there's anything like that. So we don't twist it tight, we twist it so light, so that when you take out the twist, the effect, it does not form a spiral shape. So you twist the hair up to the base of the extension. That is what I'm doing here. Then when I get to the base, I try to also twist it. Then get a rubber band. This part is very necessary to prevent unraveling and keeping the hair looking great for a longer time. So I added the rubber band, some parts were folding, I brought out everything, and that is it. So I've done some other ones behind the scene, the second one, and like that. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. An easy way to keep your extension tangle free. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.